Hey guys, so today we're making some chow mein. Chow mein is boiling. We're gonna start off with adding our mixed veggies to the wok. Um, these are frozen mixed veggies we bought from the store. So we like our chow mein very colorful, as you can see.
So we're doing chow mein and chicken?
Yeah. With some boiled eggs on the top.
Yeah. Boiled eggs.
Top it off with some boiled eggs.
Yeah.
So our chow mein boiling.
So the oil got cold here. But she's gonna come up in a little bit. So I'll use some sweet and sour sauce on it. This gives a beautiful flavor. Make sure you shake it up before you use it. And some stir-fry sauce.
Cow pao, stir-fry sauce.
Not too much.
By the way, guys, in case you didn't know, my husband makes the best chow mein out there. It tastes way better than the Chinese Lao mein, chow mein, the Guyanese style on Liberty Avenue, wherever you get it from. I mean, he makes really good chow mein.
Yeah, thank you, babe.
You're welcome. That's my plug.
Yeah. Yeah, all my friends and families and people around me, whenever we keep party, I always get compliment about the fried rice and chow mein. And
We're adding some.
chow mein seasoning.
Okay.
Actually, it's not chow mein seasoning, it's fried rice seasoning. I run out of chow mein seasoning.
So you can
But
use fried rice.
it's the
as
same
well.
thing, yep.
It's the same concept.
Yep. It has the same thing inside. And it's optional. You don't have to use that.
Yeah. I use it sometimes, but I don't always.
So guys, I'm using the smaller burner today. That's why it's kind of take a little longer. The other one is a 80,000 BTU. This is a smaller burner. Actually, we should have cooked over there.
We're cooking the chow mein on the bigger burner today.
Yeah.
But we can switch.
Yeah, let's switch it because
Let's
it's taking
switch?
too long. Yep.
Okay.
Alright, we got that going there. I'll put in a little bit of my green seasoning, not much, just a little bit, give it a kick.
In case you want to know how we made our green seasoning, check out our channel. You'll see at the there's a video on making the green seasoning.
And I'll put in some meat in here too.
Chicken breast.
Chicken breast.
Alright.
It's very small piece, so it will cook really fast. We got bora also, but we're gonna throw in the bora a little later because we like it a little crunchy.
Our chow mein is boiling.
Yep.
coming
You're
up
gonna
good.
have to strain it and over there.
Cannot wait for some of this chow mein.
I'll throw some onions in there. I'll put in some black pepper in here.
Some red crushed pepper.
Crushed pepper. And I'll put in some panda oyster sauce. And a little bit mushroom sauce. So I'll just taste it for the sweetness. I think it needs to be a little bit more sweeter, right? So you're gonna drop some more of these sweet and sour cow pole sauce. We have some nice pepper in here. I would love to put in some more pepper, but my garden don't have much more.
Adding
And-
some fresh long beans or bora.
Yep. And I chipped up mine a little skinnier this time.
Smaller.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you can chip up yours however you want it.
To your heart desire.
So look at this, guys. Look at the beauty. Look at it. I wish you guys can smell it. And look at the color. It looks amazing, right?
It looks amazing.
Yeah. A lot of veggies, look. All different kinds. All kinds of good stuff in here. Lots of seasoning in here. So with all that sauce that I put in, I don't think we need any salt in here. We're gonna taste it for salt and see. And of course the chicken done cooked. Yep.
Yeah. Because it's the way you cut it too.
Yep. Mhm.
So it's already cooked. Just needed a couple minutes,
Yeah.
2 minutes actually.
Check it out, see if that chow mein is done. So what I do, I just put my hand in the air and just
Maybe you need
sting
to
it.
turn it up before.
Turn it up? Yeah. I think this chow mein is done.
Hey babe, check it out, see if it's done. I can't do it.
Yeah, I think that's done. So we're gonna strain it and be back, guys. We can show them this here again one more time. This looks really, really good. I'll put in the thing here right now.
Scallions.
I'll put this up. Let's get a little steamed up in there and done with it. So the flavor can come out. So the stove is off there now.
Yeah, we turn the stove off. It just goes with the heat.
Guys, there's a lot of secrets in how you're cooking your chow mein. This is one of, not really one of them, but the master secret is the hand touching and how to cook it. You know, I'll show you guys that another day. We're gonna be back. Look at the goodness there, guys. You try to mix up everything as much as you can. And you can taste back for salt. And if you have more pepper, you can put in a lot of pepper, as much as you can. Right, babe?
Yeah, as much as you can.
Yeah, like my babe here would put the whole bag of pepper, right?
Yeah. Pepper is good.
Yeah. So here you got chow mein with mixed veggies, chow mein, lao mein, and chicken. The egg, I'll put in the egg in a few minutes. I'll show you guys. Guys, look at that goodness. Look at it. Yummy. Babe?
Yeah. Looks really good.
And this is mixed up pretty good here.
Guys, how many of you like take a little bit of rice to eat with your chow mein? I probably asked the same question before, but I actually do. Just a little bit of rice, a teeny little bit of rice to go with my chow mein. I cannot eat chow mein by itself. Have to have a little bit of rice. Lots of carbs, but it's okay. You just go to the gym after.
And there you get it. And here's the eggs. Boil eggs. There you go. So guys, thank you very much for watching. We appreciate all you guys. If you didn't subscribe, please consider subscribing. Thanks again. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment.
Yep.
And we will inform you guys.
Until then, peace out, one love.